Vivo V25 Pro price. Global technology brand Vivo on Thursday officially confirmed the launch date of its upcoming premium smartphone, Vivo V25 Pro in India. According to the company, the upcoming Vivo phone will be launched in India at 12 p.m. on August 17. The brand also revealed that the phone will be available in India via Flipkart. Vivo V25 Pro is expected to be priced around 40,000 rupees in India. Disclaimer: the typical battery capacity is 4,830 mAh. Support up to 66W flash charge, and the actual charging power is dynamically adjusted and subject to actual use. 8 GB extended RAM realized by software. Advertising creativity. Pictures and effects shown are for reference and for demonstration purposes only. Please take actual product as standard.
I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.